Below the moulding will be an OG bracket foot. They're only thin, they're not really structural. The corner of the dresser will be the stile which will carry on, and these will just be glued on there, and the moulding will sit on top. The dresser's got a break front to it, so there's quite a few feet. These will be for the centre, they have a short return on them. Then there's 2 sets there for the corners, and these 2 just to go on the back. Another method of doing it, if you haven't got a moulding plane, well, a hollowing plane, it's just using a gouge. It's also helpful if you've got knots in it like that, because that won't really tackle it that well. Knots dropped out anyway. I'm clamping all the pairs onto a square piece of wood so I can sand down the corners. So that's the moulding coloured up. It's not a bad match. You can see the join there, but that's still, the colour's quite good. And the feet will be glued on to a corner block like that. And there's the feet.